Hypertension or high blood pressure is one of the most common risk factors for cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke and chronic renal failure. According to World Health Organization, approximately 220 million Indians suffer from high blood pressure, but only about 1 in every 5 adults has blood pressure under control. Estimated 46% adults are not even aware that they have high blood pressure. So, what causes hypertension? High blood pressure is very closely linked to faulty lifestyle. Mental stress, lack of sleep, lack of exercise and obesity, smoking tobacco and excess alcohol all contribute to high blood pressure. But the most important pillar is nutrition. The food we eat plays a very important role in preventing and treating high blood pressure. Now we have ample evidence to suggest that low dietary sodium helps in controlling blood pressure. So, how much sodium is allowed per day? It is recommended that sodium should be less than 2.3 grams per day, which is equivalent to 5 grams or less than 1 teaspoon of salt per day per person. What are the foods which are rich in sodium? Common food items which are very high in sodium are pickles, papads, canned foods, instant soups, salted butter, cheese, and salted snacks or salted nuts. Sodium may also be present in the form of soda bicarb in bakery items like cakes, cookies, pastries, and other bakery items. So it is very important to read the labels before consuming food. Another very important aspect of food which may be contributing to high blood pressure is fat. Animal products like meat, fish, poultry, and dairy are very rich in saturated fat. Also, plant foods like oils, nut butters, and seed butters are rich in fat. So, what are the changes that we should make in our diet so that we can control blood pressure? Now it has been proven that foods which are rich in potassium help in controlling blood pressure. So, what are the foods which are rich in potassium? Green leafy vegetables like collard greens, beetroot greens, kale, spinach, amaranth greens, vegetables like sweet potatoes, broccoli, potatoes, pumpkins, fruits like apples, apricots, oranges, and legumes like beans and peas all are very rich. They are also very rich in dietary fiber. The dietary fiber helps in growth of good gut microbes. They act as a broom in cleaning the arteries of the fat and lowering the blood pressure. Ultra-processed foods. What are ultra-processed foods? Ultra-processed foods are foods that are manufactured in plants and do not grow on plants. Foods like instant soups, sugary beverages like cold drinks, soft drinks, energy drinks, yogurts and ice creams, breakfast cereals. These are all ultra-processed foods. And ultra-processed foods lack dietary fibers. When we are working on hypertension, the first group of food which should go off our plates is ultra-processed foods because they totally lack dietary fibers. We also need to restrict tobacco products, tea and coffee because they too contribute to high blood pressure. Measurement of blood pressure is very easy and painless, and fortunately, high blood pressure or hypertension can be prevented and treated with whole food plant-based nutrition, stress management, exercise, and restorative sleep.